HTML Introduction. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the good knowledge about HTML, and we hope that this will inspire you to delve further into the world of HTML using our guides. Through all our tutorials we have explained every point regarding HTML, one by one. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext. Hypertext means that the document contains links that allow the reader to jump to other places in the document or to another document altogether. Markup language. A markup language is a way that computers speak to each other to control how text is processed and presented. To do this, HTML uses two things, that is, tags and attributes. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML tags are not case sensitive, but it's considered good practice to keep HTML markup lowercase. Hypertext markup language is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as cascading style sheets and scripting languages such as JavaScript. What are HTML tags? HTML tags are the building blocks of an HTML page. Any text enclosed between less than and greater than signs is an HTML tag. When you create your website, all of your content should include between start tag and end tag. Most of the HTML tags require a start tag and an end tag. End tag differs with the opening tag by a slash. The vast majority of tags must be opened and closed with the element information such as a title or text resting between the tags. When using multiple tags, the tags must be closed in the order in which they were opened. This example shows a start tag and an end tag, in order to display a bold text in the browser. Some tags are self-closing. The close tag for some elements are optional because their closure can be inferred. HTML tags, attribute, and attribute values. Now you can looking at information of a HTML tag. This is IMG tag, which included attribute and their values. SRC, height, and width can be known as attribute name. Every attribute start, after tag name, and there can be multiple attributes in one tag name. There should be include values for them after create each attribute. Some attribute can have several values. This is a simple HTML page structure for your understand. When you create a web page, all tags are included within HTML tag. After that you can create head tag and body tags separately. The head part is used for text and tags that do not show directly on the page, except title. The body part is used for displaying all text, images, hyperlinks, and so on, shown directly on the page. When you follow my tutorials, you will understand everything about HTML language and each tags. This is basic construction for HTML page. These tags should be placed underneath each other at the top of every HTML page that you create. Doctype HTML tag. The doctype HTML tag declaration is used to inform a website visitor's browser that the document being rendered is an HTML document. While not actually an HTML element itself, every HTML document should be with a doctype declaration to be compliant with HTML standards. HTML tag. The HTML tag is used as a container for all of the HTML of an entire document. Head tag. The head tag contains information about an HTML document that is used by browsers and web crawlers but is not displayed to website visitors. Title tag. The title tag specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. Title tag should be placed between head tag. Body tag. The body tag contains the entire content of a web page. It must be the second element inside of the parent HTML tag, following only the head tag. Body tag defines the document's body, and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. To create your web page, where should you write your HTML tags? For that you can use Notepad, Dreamweaver, NetBeans, Visual Studio or any other HTML editor. After creating your web page using HTML editor, to execute your web page you must save your web page as .html or .htm. After that you can execute your web page that is saved as .html or .htm in any web browser. Thank you. Have a good day.